So I literally just dumped all of the sand out from my bikini top.
Yeah, we did a photo shoot on the beach, and Scarlett set us up with a tidal wave that went over the top of us.
I'll post the pictures here.
Yeah, you'll
Hilarious.
So funny. So funny.
We tried to create this picture, and it ended up looking like this because the sea was so much rougher today.
So this is the Italian, isn't it?
This is the Italian, and we've managed to get seats here today. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
So they've nearly all got us through a bar, but this one's still apart. It's just there. Oh, we've gone that way.
Yeah.
Mario's that way.
That's Mario's.
Opposite way.
That's not the swim bar. Swim bar is behind me.
And those people are doing lights out.
Let's go.
But yeah, this is a bit more of a active swimming pool, as you can hear by the music and all.
Shout out to Risa and shout out T. Alright, one more time for the crowd. Let's get it, yeah! Y'all put your hands together for them, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. We really appreciate that. Love it so much. Shout out to you all. That was great. I love the energy. Now, here we go. Real smooth. Chocolate.
You want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
So, just wanted to pop on and say, come to President's for lunch. Wow, this hot sauce is hot, but wanted to say what a different experience. Food's come out, these are hot, they're delicious. Product looks 10 times better. So we'll give it another go and it was worth it. Stuart's got his Guinness, all's right with the world.
So I've got mine. Mine's a burger, a cheeseburger, which has got an onion, lettuce, tomato, and egg, and then some fries. I mean, really big fries. But looks yummy, really hot. And it is yummy.
So, second go at Crickers, yeah, we'd recommend. It was probably having an off night the other night.
So, hi everyone, I just had the gym. Just going to give a quick tour around. As you can see, there's loads of machines and mirrors. What's pretty cool here is that you've got plenty of water, and they put cold towels. That's pretty handy, because even though you've got fans and aircon in there, still get really, really hot. So yeah, that's a good running, cycling. And then on this section here, you've got all the weights and the machines. Really, really good selection. Pretty much everything that you want to be able to do a workout, which I'm about to do. There you go. So good. So if you like to keep fit, they've got everything you need. I'm going to walk all the way through here. And there's plenty of weights here as well. Plenty of weights, if that's what you want. Like I said, you've got the run machines. There's videos on each wall. Plenty of cardio. Some fruits if you want it. A weighing machine, see how you're doing. I might have to check myself out on that. See how much weight I've put on. All the good food and the drink. Right, hope you find that useful. It's time to train.
well. I think that's our table there. What we're going to be eating. Special night. I think it is. Hmm? Well, what we got? Yeah, what we got. Thank you. There we go. Sunset. Oh look, there's a plane going over there. See that? Cool is that? Oh, beautiful.
So, I heard a tip about the captain's table, and what you do is you can order a bottle of wine and you can get this area. And it's attached to Schooners, so you just go up to Schooners, you ask them, you know, have they any availability? They might not have, because they've only got like 1 or 2 tables. But tonight, we've been lucky enough that they've got it. We booked it about 5 days ago, and it's just amazing.
Yeah, just special, super special, to be honest. So that is our view. So obviously the sun is just going down now.
Really?
And it's just lovely.
Shouts at me. You can hear the music in the background, live music. Schooners is amazing. I love Schooners. You've got sitting areas. What was it? Oh, I'll never get it in time. Oh my god, this is just fab. This is fab.
It's wonderful.
And then hopefully you can see the menu.
Take a picture of it anyway.
I don't think you can. I think you can, yeah, I think you can.
That's the menu.
But I think I'm going for crab cake and ribeye. It's a seafood restaurant, but that's what I'm going for.
I think mine's quite easy. There's going to be some salad starter probably, but it's going to be ribeye steak, of course.
And your chicken nuggets.
Your chicken nuggets?
Yeah. Chicken nuggies. Lovely. Mine's crab cakes.
Exactly.
Yours is mussels.
Thank you.
And Struge's carrot cake as well.
Yeah. Get the one, not.
Right, here we are. So Stu's going to try the carrot cake.
Looks meaty. I'm going to try a bit of sauce.
Yeah, you have to say meaty because if you say fishy, it's a whole different connotation, isn't it? And the mussels.
Good.
Oh my god, that's actually really I am jealous of those mussels, I must say.
That's really good.
Is it? Right,
Yeah.
I'm going to get stuck in. So I just wanted to say, our little friend over here doing the music, while he's brilliant and everything, he's played, oh, what's his name? I know it's a shame, but I'm giving you back your name. Lionel Richie, I'm giving you back your name. And now he's playing Careless Whispers. So, not quite the romantic song you would think, but it's all done to a reggae beat and his voice is gorgeous. So it's really, really, really nice, isn't it? The service here so far has been absolutely impeccable. Couldn't fault it.
We're having a good time.
We're having a good time, really lovely evening, and this is how close the sea is now. I'm sure you can, I hope you can hear it on the mic, because it's lovely. So, this is the T-bone with these little tobacco onions and a lovely sauce.
Oh, there's asparagus and mash underneath.
And then Scottish has got chicken nuggets. So, wow, looks amazing.
I'm I'm so going to miss this when we go home.
Oh my god, what was going to do?
I don't know. It's going to cost us a fortune with all the steak we're going to have to buy for breakfast and lunch.
We're not buying any steak for breakfast. Love it. He loves it. Mine's really beautiful. Mine's the mascarpone. And you get a little smiley face.
There's a smiley face.
Right, cheers, Scarlett.
So, I don't know what it's called, but I only know it by chocolate cake. And it is like rich like heaven.
Rich like heaven.
Rich like heaven.
Good then. Right, I got the lemon cake, which is naughty for me, and I got a smiley face. And not tasted it yet. Let's have a go. Here it comes. Oh wow, it's just soft and oh, so much flavour. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Well, there you go. There's our desserts.
So all in all, I would say 10 out of 10 for the captain's table. Service has been amazing. Ambience is absolutely fantastic, and food at Schooners is out of this world. It's my favourite restaurant. But yeah, wonderful. Is it great?
Absolutely stunning. I think that's an ingredients with Scarlett there. So let's have a quick look. It's all lit up, and our bottle of champagne. Lovely. Just a gorgeous night, isn't it? Catch you guys later.
If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secret star in your heart.
So this is Scarlett getting into a hammock. This is how you do it.
I sent them all the reasons why not to do hammocks on TikTok today. Yeah, that's
Easy.
one of them.
Scarlett's going to do it easily. Look.
Yeah, but she's like it's a
Ta-da!
That's how you do it.
Easy. See?
Right, Daddy, you gonna do it?
Hey?
No, you're gonna tip it.
No, I was going to swing you gently. I was going to swing you gently. She thinks so badly of her daddy. It's unreal. See, look. Swing. See? Swing. There.
If you tip, you're
That's it. That's it.
Oh, the breeze. It's all about the Stu, come and see the picture of them right here. Right there between them.
There. That's how you get in and out of a hammock. Well done, Scarlett.